You ready? Lift. Come this way. Come this way.
Nice.
So what do you think?
It's a car, it's a car, it's a car!
Excellent observational skills, Mr. Otis Dealey.
Well, can I drive it?
Oh, not yet, John.
Oh,
Okay.
look at it.
This is not just any car, you know. This is the Tesla Model 3 all-wheel drive.
It's a beauty.
Okay, so it's fully electric. It's got a 348-mile battery range. And now it's the safest in its class.
How'd they work that out? Oh, probably crash tests, maybe with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. That's NHTSA.
You see,
in America.
you had to ask, didn't you?
It's important. You know, I'm writing a book about the future of the car.
Yes, we know, John. It's got 12,000 supercharging stations across the world.
But how many in the UK?
360. And because Elon Musk is involved,
Yes.
obvs, it's full of techie goodness.
I can already see it.
Can I drive it?
OK, John, yes, of course you can, but come with me. Look, we don't come to the car, we make the car come to us. Check this out. Press summon. Preparing. It's winked at me. Hey, hey. Wow, look at this, look at this.
Come.
Look at that.
It's witchcraft!
Look at the steering wheel go there, yeah.
Show off!
It knows we're here. You sure it knows?
It knows we're here, look at this. Won't touch me.
It won't. Look at that.
This is the future. We are living in tomorrow's world. John, you going to drive us, are you?
I am, yes. Excellent. Ah.
This is nice. Oh. Here we go. Hey, look at this now.
We're off. Mind the obstacles. Good. Hey, we're off. With a few bongs.
Whoa,
Here he
John!
goes, look.
Off he goes.
It's got good acceleration. I've only got it in chill mode at the moment. If you can have it, we can have it faster if you like.
As you can see, chaps, this is left-hand drive.
Why is that?
Because we haven't made the right-hand drive ones yet. And it's got customizable steering wheel, haven't we, John?
Yes. The idea is instead of having buttons all over the dashboard, you've got these two buttons on the steering wheel itself, which you can program to do different things. I've got the left-hand one programmed to operate the entertainment system. The right-hand one, I've got changing the sensitivity of the cruise control.
I'm liking the 15-inch screen.
Yeah, it looks like it should come with curtains. Pale and Dean. Ding, 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 ding.
Is it compatible with Apple CarPlay?
Well, no, it's not. But it has its own built-in system, which is really, really cool. And this is what I like. You can change the airflow around the vehicle. I've got that on my feet now. Can you feel it on your feet, John? To feel that?
I can.
Despite it saying it's affordable, how much is this one, Craig?
It's about £49,000, nearly 50 grand.
For me, that's not an affordable car.
It's more expensive than the car would be if it had a petrol engine, but the key thing is the range, whether it really delivers.
Well, it says 348 miles maximum range. So you can actually plot your journey, can't you?
Yep.
And choose a route. Navigate. Take me to Aberdeen.
It's finding superchargers for the trip, so it'll plan your journey.
According to those.
Yes. Look, you see, we can go via Charnock Richards services, where we'll need to charge for 28 minutes before moving on to another supercharger in Abington.
Abington, and you've got to charge for 50 minutes there.
And then we'll arrive at Aberdeen with 15% charge left.
Okay, but that's going to be next Thursday. How does it feel to drive, John?
Well, actually, it's pretty good. It's very competent.
Comfortable in the back, guys?
No, I'm not sat comfortably because there isn't that much room back here.
The seats are quite small, actually.
I like the interiors. I think it's sort of light, modern.
Plenty of headroom with this glass roof.
There is.
I mean, I think they're good to drive. They're very entertaining. I think it'd be well worth having one in the fleet.